Hello, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Adab. Welcome to Empress Realm Club, an initiative by NGO IWA. You have seen that NGO IWA has been working for women empowerment since last 10 years. And this Empress Realm Club is a club for the women by the women. Empress is a queen. Every woman is a queen by herself. She is a queen. Only thing is she requires a platform to prove that she is a queen. She's a multitasking personality. She can manage her home, she can manage her children, she can manage her dreams. But somewhere down the line, sometimes what happens is she forgets herself. So here this Empress Realm Club is a realm. It is a platform where women can show their talent. They can help each other women to fulfill their dreams. This platform, this realm will be a realm of women around the world on one platform, where they will share their knowledge, their talent, and help other women come up and feel that yes, they can be a queen, and they also want to be in such a realm where women are loving women, women are helping women, women are the pillar of society. She is building the upcoming generation. When a woman is educated and when her talent is being proved, that is what the message she is passing on to her generation, and her generation is passing on to the country, and the country to the world. So we have a very beautiful and peaceful world to live in. So this realm is not only of talent, it is of meet and greet. There will be lots of activities which we will be conducting at this platform, online as well as offline. We will have meet and greet, understand each other, help each other. There will be good speakers around the world who will come and motivate those women who wants to be a queen and settle in such a beautiful realm, which is done by IWA NGO. IWA NGO has been working for the society from last 10 years. And you know, this era is women era. Women have spread their wings around the world. On every platform, a woman has shown their successfulness. So come on friends, join hands in this beautiful Empress Realm Club, where you will be learning lots of things, mentoring other women. And yes, every woman needs a private space. So some women also needs an ear because there's fear. So this platform will have an ear for them to come out of their fear and understand them and make them happy and confident to stand on their own feet. So I'm Dr. Daljit Kaur. See you all soon on this beautiful club. Contact Priya for details.
आइए ज्वाइन कीजिए एम्प्रेस रेल्म क्लब।